Want to grow your user base with a seamless sign-up experience? Today, I'll show you how to build a stunning, fully custom registration form in WordPress using ElementsKit. Before diving in, let's cover the requirements. Since ElementsKit is an add-on, you need to have the Elementor free version installed along with ElementsKit Pro. First, go to your website's dashboard and click the Settings option. Once the page loads on your screen, look for the membership option and hit the Anyone Can Register checkbox. Then, go to the page where you want to add the register form and start editing with Elementor Builder and search for Register Form in the widget panel. Grab the one with the EKit badge and drag it into your layout. Let's set up the content. In the Form Fields section, you can add or delete more fields and choose to show or hide field labels, placeholders, and required marks for a minimalistic look. Then open Fields icon to add visual cues inside the inputs, and you can place them at a start or end, and even add a sleek divider. Next, customize your submit button text and alignment. Under the login link drop-down, you can add a helpful already have an account link right below your form, complete with custom text and your specific login page URL. The Settings tab is where the magic happens. Here, you can allow users to unmask their password as they type, require them to agree to your terms and conditions, and set up a redirect URL so they can land on a welcome page after signing up. You can even hide the form entirely for users who are already logged in. Want to boost conversions? Toggle on Enable Social Login to let users sign up with their favorite social accounts. Just note that this feature requires the WP Social plugin to be active. Time to make it look perfect. Switch over to the Style tab. Open the Labels section to tweak your typography. Next, expand the Fields section to customize the input boxes. Here you can change the background color, adjust the border radius for softer corners, and set the spacing. Open Fields icon to make sure your symbols match your brand colors. Then, head down to the button section. Give your call to action a bold background color, tweak the padding, and drop in a subtle box shadow to make it pop. Finally, open the Login Links section to style the text and decoration colors so your secondary links look just right. And you are done. A high-converting, fully customized registration form built right inside the Elementor. Upgrade your WordPress site with the ElementsKit today. Need a custom login page to match? We have a step-by-step tutorial for that too. Click the link in the description to watch it next. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.